Introducing the 2008 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and cruise control. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.